Fighting with the swords, gone. Playing with the brain, on. Let's play Giraffe Chess Hat-Trick League Season 3.
Welcome everyone to a thriller showcase of strategic brilliance and competitive flair. International Giraffe Chess Federation proudly presents Hat-Trick League Season 3 between 10 Prodother teams. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to India's new 68 Square Giraffe Chess Academy Prodother. Welcome to the live telecast of no draws and no resigns, only a win or a lose in just 70 moves. Giraffe Chess Hat-Trick League 2024 Season 3. Today, we'll see an electrifying clash of Giraffe Chess Match 43, where the clash is between Prodother Kings versus Prodother Gladiators, two very strong teams. Each team consists of 3 players. Whichever team all-outs the opponent will be the winner. Let's move on to the toss at the center of court. It's a crucial moment for both the captains, and let's see who will win the toss. And the Prodother Gladiators win the toss and opts for the black pieces. So here we see the both teams line up. Prodother Kings and Prodother Gladiators. Arvind is the opener of Prodother Kings, Jaya Bhargava, opener of the Prodother Gladiators. Abdullah is the second player of Prodother Kings, followed by Abdul Waris. Ishwar is the second player of Prodother Gladiators and Sufyan the third player. Now let's dive into the first game of the match 43. Where Arvind plays with the white pieces and Jaya Bhargav plays with the black pieces. Let's see who amongst these talented young players win this game and title themselves as Hat-Trick League hero. And here comes the Best Scholar awardee and a brilliant player from Prodother Kings, Master Arvind. Next comes another Best Scholar awardee, Master Jaya Bhargav Reddy from Prodother Gladiators. Let's cheer up these boys to show their talent in the game. Both of our players are ready to start the match. Both our enthusiasts are ready to play the game. So without wasting a single second, let's dive into the game 1. Jaya Bhargav hits the timer and the game begins. Arvind's pawn to e4, Jaya Bhargav's pawn to e5, Arvind's pawn to c3, Jaya Bhargav's pawn to f6, Arvind's pawn to d4, knight replies with e7. What a solid start that was. Arvind takes his bishop to c4, Bhargav replies with pawn to d6. The white queen comes early to f3, what an aggressive stance. And Jaya Bhargava makes his first capture, capturing at d4. White recaptures at d4. Let's see what Jaya Bhargava has to reply with. Moves his knight to c6, building clear pressure at the center. Arvind pushes his pawn to e6. Jaya Bhargava responds with pawn to d5. Arvind drops back his bishop to d3. And with a sharp focus, Jaya Bhargava seizes the pawn with his knight at b4. Arvind holds his queen, aiming at e3. Jaya Bhargava calmly reroutes his knight to e6. I can see we are slowly moving into a highly tactical game now. Arvind moves his knight to f3, reinforcing the center. Let's see what Jaya Bhargava plans to do next. Strikes his pawn to d4. Arvind's queen steps aside at e2. Jaya Bhargava can be seen in a deep calculation mode. Captures pawn at e5. And white reclaims with knight capturing the pawn at e5. What a breakthrough move that was. Jaya Bhargava brings his knight back to c6. The tension stays high. Audience, hold your breath. This board is about to light up with some sharp moves from both the sides. Arvind moves his knight to c4, eyeing the center squares. Jaya Bhargava brings his queen in the game to f6. This is a battlefield, and every square is under fire. With this, Arvind moves his queen to c2. Jaya Bhargava moves his pawn to b5 and making a brilliant queenside expansion. Arvind takes his knight to d2. Jaya Bhargav planning for his next move. He seems to be in a critical position on the board. Every move counts now. Moves his knight to b4. Arvind steps back his queen to d1. Jaya Bhargava trades his knight on d3, capturing the pawn. Arvind recaptures with giraffe at d3. Both players are taking their time here, weighing up all the possibilities on the board. Jaya Bhargava moves his bishop to a6. Arvind is in a calculative mode. Looks like we are about to witness a bold strike and moves his giraffe to g1. That was indeed a sharp move, and the black pawn strikes at c5. Arvind is no doubt the best scholar awardee. He never misses a chance to surprise us with his moves. He takes his knight to f3. Jaya Bhargava moves his pawn to c4. Arvind is slowly taking this game into his territory. He holds his giraffe and takes it to e0. Jai Bhargav Reddy, the opener of Produttar Gladiators, giving a tough fight to Arvind, is playing fearlessly, moves his rook to d8. We are at move 20, both players settling into a tense middle game battlefield. We can see some misplacement of the black knight at Jai Bhargav Reddy's side. Let's wait for the final decision and get back to the game. And we get a green signal. Arvind is getting ready for his next move. Moves his pawn to h4. And Jai Bhargav Reddy's queen captures the pawn at f3. The white giraffe recaptures at f3. Jai Bhargav moves his bishop to b4, giving the first check to the white king. Arvind blocks with bishop to d2. Jai Bhargav moves his pawn to c3. Arvind captures pawn at d3. Bhargav recaptures at c3. We are witnessing a battle of strategy and nerves together. Arvind, making his calculation, takes his knight to c3. Jai Bhargav instantly captures the pawn with his bishop at c3. Jai Bhargav is vigorously attacking on the white side. Arvind is seen handling this with pure calm and patience. Arvind moves his giraffe to f4. Jai Bhargava moving forward, capturing the pawn at d2, giving another check to white king. Arvind steps king to f1. Jai Bhargava grabs on the giraffe at f4. Arvind can be seen moving towards his queen, holding it to e0, still unsure about the move. And it's queen to e0, a check to the black king. Jai Bhargav moves his king to f8. Arvind is analyzing the left pieces on the board. Pressure is mounting and a breakthrough may be coming soon. Arvind moves his rook to d1 and hits the timer. The clock is ticking and mind's working. Let's see who breaks this first. Jai Bhargav moves his pawn to b4 and the white king moves to g1. Jai Bhargav moves forward, analyzing the situation. He's in deep tense, moves his knight to e2 and it's a check for the white king. Arvind moves his king to h2, still unsure of the move, not making it count. Seems under relentless pressure and makes the move count to h2. Jai Bhargav moves his bishop to f4, another check. Arvind saves it with pawn to g3. Jai Bhargav moves his rook to d1. Both the kings are facing the heat everywhere. Arvind takes upon the rook at d1 with his queen. Jai Bhargava takes upon the pawn at g3. Arvind captures pawn at g3. Jai Bhargav hits back at g3. Arvind's king captures at g3. Jai Bhargav slides rook to g8. In such silences, champions are made.